Okay, so this is day 36 and I wanted to show you to compare what his good leg is, his right leg, in between his left leg. So it's about 4 months since his injury in November, and he hasn't been using it to its full potential. And then he had the surgery where he couldn't use it for several weeks, and now he's just slowly getting back to it. And if you could see it, look how big. So here's Hero's leg, the good leg. You can see how beefy and muscular it is because we were able to. He hasn't been able to run obviously because he has his bad leg, but compared to the left leg, the good leg, you can see there's a significant decrease in size. I don't know if you can appreciate that. Can you appreciate that? Well, it's probably easier to see in person, but you can see how much thicker this is compared to. You can tell which one is, and look, this one has more definition. Flex your knee a little bit. So we're documenting this so we can see where we're at this point, so we could see it progressing and how much smaller this is compared to. So let's turn around and see the back of where your hamstring. Let's take a look at your calves and hamstring. So this is his bad leg, left calf. So keep turning, and then we could probably see better in the back the difference between his right leg and his left leg. Actually, not as much, but it is over here is his graft site, and it's healed up pretty good. There was, as you can see, there's a little bit of bruising there, and there was like a hardness there before where the muscle fibrosis was. It's not that hard anymore. Like I said, we're already in like our week 6 over here. Hold on, wait. Let me look in the back. So this is his good leg, and you can see compared to his left leg. Let's move to the right a little bit more. So we can to the right, shift over here to the right. And then you could see how much bigger this leg is compared to this leg. And then in terms of the calves, as you can see, look how much fuller this calf is compared to this calf. You see how much more straight and narrow that one is compared to this one, how there's like a round belly right there. And then like over here, you can see the thickness much over here compared to this side. Okay, turn around again, let's see. So like I said, we're documenting this. Look how much thicker it is on this side. You probably appreciate more on the side like this compared to, let me see the other side. So look at this side, and then look at that. And then let me see the other side. Show the profile side view of his right leg. So yeah, look at how much smaller that is after 4 months of limited to no use. Okay, and then there's his calves, how there's not that much bulge. So go ahead and turn back into the front, and then we're going to measure it. So there has been no running like he was doing before. And that's what his legs look like. So let me get my tape measure and I'll measure it for you, so we can get a actual at 6 weeks where his legs are at 6 weeks. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna measure his good leg. As you can see, there's a nice bulge right over here, and it's about 23 inches if you look at it right there. 23 inches is how I measured it for the circumference of his right leg. So that's about that level, 23 inches, 23 and a quarter. So let's measure the bad leg, the leg we did surgery on. So that's 23 inches. Now the other leg is about 21 inches and a quarter. So about a 2-inch difference right there. So 2-inch difference. So it's not that bad, but in the muscle, when you're measuring muscles, it is significant. 1 inch is pretty big, but 2-inch. So there's a discrepancy of 2 inches between this leg and this leg. So you can notice the difference probably more in person, not as much in video, but as you can see based on the measurements, that there is about 2 inches difference in circumference between the two legs. Okay, that's the update on where Hero is in his ACL journey recovery. About 36 weeks out, 36 days, 6 weeks out.